Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre. Rolls-Royce has unveiled the 2026 Spectre, its first fully electric car, marking a bold step into a new era of luxury while staying true to its craftsmanship, elegance, and sophistication. Design: classic elegance with a modern twist. Sleek look: features a long hood, sloping roof, and fastback rear for a grand, refined appearance. Lit grille: the iconic Pantheon grille now glows with subtle LED lighting for a futuristic vibe. Aerodynamic excellence: with a drag coefficient of 0.23, it's the most aerodynamic Rolls-Royce ever. Luxury details: hand-polished stainless steel trim in unique paint colors like Aurora Frost add a premium touch. Interior: unmatched luxury. Starry atmosphere: over 5,000 fiber optic lights create a celestial effect on the roof and doors. Eco-friendly materials: features vegan leather and sustainably sourced wood trims. Advanced dashboard: a sleek OLED display combines digital controls with Rolls-Royce's signature elegance. Rear comfort: lounge-style reclining seats and personalized climate controls ensure passenger luxury. Performance: quiet and powerful. Electric motors: dual motors deliver 600 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque for smooth, effortless driving. Long range: the car has an estimated range of 320 miles on a single charge. Magic ride: advanced suspension adjusts instantly for a smooth, magic carpet ride. Quick acceleration: goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. Impressive for its size and class. Technology: luxury redefined. Smart AI: the new spirit of ecstasy AI customizes the driving experience to suit your preferences. Safety features: includes adaptive cruise control, self-parking, and smart navigation. Premium audio: a 30-speaker system provides an immersive sound experience. Remote access: the Whisper app allows owners to control car features from their phones. Sustainability: the future of luxury. Electric future: the Spectre is the first step toward Rolls-Royce becoming fully electric by 2030. Green manufacturing: built using renewable energy at the Goodwood factory. Pricing and availability: starting price begins at $400,000 with endless customization options available. Release date: deliveries start in mid-2026 with pre-orders already open. Conclusion: the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre is more than just an electric car. It's a luxurious statement of innovation and sustainability. Combining silent power, unmatched comfort, and futuristic technology, the Spectre sets a new standard for luxury driving. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.